Alright, we're going camping. I mean, we're already here.
I'm so nervous.
So this is our first time camping on our own. Grace lent us the tent and a sleeping bag, and basically we have nothing else. Yan. Also, ngayon lang kami nag-vlog kasi medyo na-stress kami on the way here. So, yeah, we're gonna set up our place na here, and it's not too sunny anymore, which is nice kasi naiinitan tong isa. So, yeah, let's just set up. So we've set up our tent.
You wanna come with me?
Tapos, ako?
Yeah, come on. Bring Daisy.
Daisy, let's go. Come on.
She doesn't want to walk though. I don't know why.
Probably because it's rocky.
Rocky, yeah, I think so.
Yeah. Okay. Yan. Ito ang aming campsite. P18. Actually, yung maganda dito. This is Sasquatch Provincial Park. And then, this is a parking area. Dami ng mosquito. Oh, okay.
Oh no, I'm sorry.
Here's our baon. Pokirito. Kasi one night lang naman kami mag-camp. So, pumili na lang kami ng food. Yan. This is mine. And that's Kat's. Nice. 2 sets. Nakalimutan namin magdala ng fork and spoon. But, Pokirito gave us 2 sets of each.
Nice, so meron sa Daisy.
Oo. Okay. Ariko. There's so many mosquitoes.
Oh, here. I'll get the mosquito repellent.
So, how does it feel like to go camping?
It's great. Of course, it's great. But I have everything.
Ay, dala-dala niya lahat.
I have my whistle kasi so sabi ng attendant dito, sabi niya we have bears. Eh wala kaming nadala na bear spray or yung horn, yung air horn para mag-scare away sa bear. So meron kami instead is a whistle. And since hindi nag-work yung binili namin na light, may kami, anong tawag nito? Illuminator ba yun?
Glow stick?
Yeah, glow stick. And then we also have a flashlight. This is 1,200 lumens. So, very...
Flex lang namin.
And also, we bought this s'mores kit. Nabili namin to from Canadian Tire. So, if nagtataka kayo, bakit ganito yung bihis nyo? Like, hindi kayo naka-camping. Dumiretso kami sa work. So, mamaya pa kami magbibihes to get ready talaga. Inayos lang namin yung setup and everything. Pa kami. But, yeah. But, yun lang. May bears dito. So, sobrang kami ngayon. Alert and everything. Hindi, bear season talaga. Kaya ganun.
Also, apparently, no, there's no internet here. And we were doing something for Ate Michelle. So Ate Michelle, if you're waiting for whatever we were supposed to be doing, I'm so sorry. We didn't know na walang internet here. So we'll get it to you tomorrow morning for sure. For sure. Sorry.
Guys.
Alright, let's eat. And si Daisy. Ayaw niya umupo kasi dirty daw here. Alright, we're gonna start the fire. We bought this yesterday.
Fire starter.
Yeah, kasi hindi kami marunong. So, that makes it easier. And then that was $12.
Yeah. Ang mahal na, no?
Hmm?
Yeah, di ba? No, yung sa Canadian Tire, mura lang naman ata.
Eh, yeah, $12 siya. But, ilan din to, siguro mga ilang hours din yan mag-burn. So, I'll start it now because it's 8. So, yeah.
Nilalagay namin si Daisy dito sa patag kasi pag nasa, rocks siya, as stones, ayaw niya, siya, dumadahan yung lakad niya, kaya pinasok namin siya dito. Ayan, may nagka-camp din sa kabilang guys, doon, same sa tent namin. Same sa tent namin doon. Ay na-timingan talaga na yung namin, yung area namin is malapit siya sa washroom. Wait lang, sorry Daisy.
I think this is how you do it.
Yun, washroom yun, sorry. What? Yeah. And then you put the woods on top. Teka lang guys
No, fire is starting.
Tingnan natin kung ano ang laman ng Frank. Frank
Red hot sauce.
Frank wants s'mores. Tingnan natin kung ano laman niya. Sabi, s'mores kit daw to. So, meron siyang, of course, marshmallows. Siyang crackers. And meron siyang regular na chocolate lang.
Oh, bar. I
Chocolate
see.
bar. Nice. Very nice. Sa halagang
$6.
$6. Mahal, may Hershey's.
Or 11.
11 or 12.
Truly.
Pero yun, marami yun. Ilang laman nun? 84 ba yun?
Huh? No. I think 16, 18,
18.
64. Ang dami naman yun.
Ito, makes 12 s'mores. Yung Hershey's, 18 s'mores. Pero you know what? Nakasale pala sila sa London Drugs. Nagpunta kami. Pero yes. Ayan, may fire na tayo.
Yan, may fire na tayo. Slowly but surely. So, we have this din kasi this weekend is supposed to be really hot. Today it was 30 degrees. Tomorrow is supposed to be 31. And then the following days are also supposed to be like around 30. So, we bought this one specifically for Daisy, actually. It's not really for us. And then we have here our cooler. And there's just ice, Daisy stuff, a drink. This is mine. And then Yakult and some juice boxes. That's it. Then we also have this. And we have a gallon of water and also like a 2-liter. The 2-liter is supposed to be for Daisy, but she's not really drinking water at the moment. And there's Cat. We're just waiting for this to get higher. We also decided to start this now because there's a lot of mosquitoes and we're hoping that the fire will help kind of blow them out, blow them away. The garbage bag, I don't know why we have it because the garbage is just right there.
Hindi naman natin alam.
And then, yeah, that's it. We have a hammer here because we thought that we would be pegging this, but we didn't end up pegging it because this is pavement with rocks, so you can't really peg through it. And then this is, we were just gonna sleep in the car, as I was saying, kanina, but Grace graciously let us borrow her tent. She insisted that we borrow it actually. So that's really nice of her.
Thank you.
And I think this one needs to go poop. So she pooped. That's why she was bringing me over there. Now I gotta wipe her bum.
So this is the reason why we got a garbage.
It's now 9:21. The Daisy ay nakahanap ng pwesto. Pero may araw pa rin. Kaya nandito pa rin kami.
May ano kami, may fan kami, pero di pa namin nagamit kasi 8 to 12 hours naman siya nag-run for slow run. Pero tinitipid namin. Pinapaypayan namin ngayon sa Daisy kasi may lamok.
Parang lechon. Oh, papaypayan.
May lamok kasi.
Yeah. Look, she always hides her face for some reason. I don't know. We're just waiting for this to burn up and then for everything else to get darker. Then we'll have some s'mores and then we'll head to bed. I think that we're probably going to leave pretty early tomorrow.
We'll see. Depends kung ano
Yeah.
oras kami magigising. Pero I feel like maaga naman kami magigising
Yeah.
kasi malamig.
Yeah, and our body clock also is, I don't know, awake pretty early, so this is all ang fail kasi ako wala akong sweater.
Hindi na rin ako nag-sweater para fair.
But we have 3 blankets in the tent and also a sleeping bag.
Pillows.
Yeah, three pillows, 3 blankets, and a sleeping bag, and this bed. And nagising siya kasi maraming tumitili ng mga kids. Yeah, here.
Parang kayo sumasabi sa
Saan?
concert.
So, tayo ay mag s'mores. Ayan. Ready na yung marshmallows. Ready na natin yung ano dito. Alright. S'mores. Nandiyan yung chocolate somewhere right there. And kami ay nagpa-pack up na ng chairs. It's so dark na, oh. See? Oh, ganda ng ano namin. Ng aming flashlight. Ayan sa Daisy. Kung walang flashlight, ganyan yan. But with the flashlight, ganyan. See, parang nagko-concert sikat na may spotlight. It's now, I think, 10:30, ano?
1:30.
Yeah, 10:30. We only used half of the bag ng firewood. Tapos, kumuha na kami ng water dun sa may, ano, sa faucet. Ayan, we're just packing it up. Dilim na guys kasi without the ano, it's like dark. Dark.
Beach.
Sure. Ayan na yung fire. We're gonna put it out soon. Yan, wipe na si Daisy. Right, so this is the inside of the tent. Ayan. Wala akong makita. Ayan. Yeah.
Inside. Inside. Alam mo, alikabok pala sa labas na.
Ayan, hirap na hirap kami. Tingnan mo naman to. Kanina pa namin siya pinapaupo dun sa bed niya. Oo. Kasi kakapatay pa lang natin ng ano dun eh.
Okay. Yun na lang nakikita sa tent namin, guys. And then right now,
Ayan.
hindi kami makaano kasi nasa gitna si Daisy.
Wait lang, dyan siya.
Wait lang.
Hindi kami makaayos ng higa kasi.
Andyan siya. Nasa gitna si Daisy. So, kung i-off namin yung light, ito lang ang nakikita. Ayan.
Yeah, wala na. Anyways.
Good night, guys. See you tomorrow.
See you in the morning. Night. The morning. Nagpakain na sa bed na Daisy.
Tinanggal na namin yung tent, guys. Nilagay na namin yung mga ibang gamit dito. Yung comforter na ginamit namin. And then yung bed ni Daisy. And then, now, magda-dismantle na kami ng ano, tent. Hello! Hi! May mga dumadating na din, nag-check-in na din for ano, for ngayon.
So, here's everything. Yan. And then, meron pa dun. But that stuff is gonna go with Cat, I think. Yeah. Oh, that's the woodpecker! Ayan. Woodpecker. Dalawa sila. Wow! There. All clean. All done. The cleanup. That's the washroom. Ayan. Really close. Tapos may faucet doon. So this is a nice camping ground. Campsite. Yeah. Tapos yung garbage malapit din. No? Malapit lahat.
Garbage, washroom, and faucet.
Yeah. Daisy. Alright.
Yan, may mga campsite pa dyan, guys. Ayan o. Sorry. Ayan o. Yan. Actually, madami and magaganda yung mga campsites dito kasi marami man ang nagka-camping, pero
Ito pangit na campsite ito kasi
ay sari-sarili na silang ano.
it's right when you walk in.
Ay, oo, so maingay. May mga ganyan. So parang mga circle-circle na mga ano. Ayan.
Our campsite was nice, but it's also bothersome at night because
Maraming nag-washroom.
yeah, we're near
Meron
the
pa din,
washroom.
meron
And there's
din,
a faint smell ng washroom. It's not too bad though.
Maraming ano dito, families na nagka-camping na medyo matagal na sila nagsistay dito. Siguro mga ilang days kasi may mga laundry na sila. Kaya, ito yan, palabas. Sa Kabihasnan. Tama ba? Kabihasnan.
We didn't video this yesterday because we were stressed. Kala
Yeah.
namin we were lost. Kasi yung campground, it's really like in the forest.
Mhm. So, yung ano pala, yung ano tawag nito? Yung camping,
Campsite?
yung campsite, yeah. Yung campsite pala, sobrang layo from the main road. Siguro umabot kami ng mga 15 minutes naman ata, yun no? Kakahanap. Or siguro na-stress lang kami kaya medyo natagalan kami and siguro din baka mabagal lang talaga yung takbo namin. Pero ito yun siya, like
Off-road. Ish.
Ish.
It's nice. It's really peaceful in there. And then the people are nice also.
Mhm. Medyo nakalabas-labas na tayo ng konti guys. Pero wala pa rin tayo sa main road. Nasa ano pa din tayo. Sa looban pa din tayo. Pero proper na yung ano, yung ang tawag nito, yung kalsada. Hindi na siya medyo rocky. Yan. Single lane traffic lang siya dito guys. So, bawal mag-pass. I mean, pwede naman siguro, no? Pwede ba mag-pass if mga single lane traffic?
Sabi mo.
Ayun, meron silang ano guys, meron silang traffic light kasi
May construction.
may construction doon sa baba. So, sinisigurado nilang walang magkakasalubungan. I think temporary lang naman ata tong traffic light nila kasi nga may construction. Yan na lang guys ha. Aray ko. Ito guys, yung construction kaya may doon, may stoplight doon. Sinisigurado nila na hindi nagkakasalubungan yung mga cars dito para safe naman. Right? Ayan. So, sa other end, meron din silang ayan, meron din silang
Mabilis lang.
traffic light. Ayan. Yung waiting nila dito is usually daw 3 minutes. Or umaabot ng 3 minutes. May umaabot. May umaabot. Oo, aabot ng 3 minutes yung waiting. Lalo na if marami yung cars. Yeah. Green Point, Days, Boat Launch, Hicks Lake, and Deer Lake. Yan. Guys, ang ganda dito guys. Pag paakyat kayo ng ng campsite. Ay, wala pa pala kayo nakikita. Saglit lang mamaya. Sabi ni Kim, yung road daw dito. Anong sabi mo? Hindi, napakakitid ng road dito. Tapos super oo, walang harang sa gilid. Tapos pa, zigzag, ganon. Oo, yung ito, meron na. Pero yan, mountains. Oh, wow. And then, dito din may dagat dito, guys. Pero may mga signs sila na
Like ata.
lake? Oh, yeah. Oh, dagat naman nun, sabi ko.
Ayan. Punta na tayo ng
Beautiful! Yes. Beautiful British Columbia.
Oslo. May great white shark.
Huh? Saan?
Fun ka naman.
Ayan, ganda, no? Oh my God. Nakapalibot sa mountains. Wow. Beautiful. Sabi ni Kim, naalala niya daw tong lugar na to nung papunta kami ng Oslo, nung nagbutanding kami. Ganito din kasi yung nadadaanan eh. Doon sa Cebu. Oo. Ang ganda, no? Ang ng mga nakatira dito.
Kaya layo na.
Oo, yeah. Siguro kung gusto mo na mag-retire talaga, like gusto mo peaceful lang, dito ka. Right? Beautiful.
Ganda na, no? Tingnan mo. May dome. I think that's one of those B&Bs na you can rent.
Guys, malapit lang din pala to sa Cultus Lake.
May
Ayun.
Harrison.
Ay, Harrison pala.
Hot Springs.
Harrison Hot Springs. And then, ay, hindi ko Kung, ayan, if may makikita kayo, teka, ifo-focus ko mamaya. Andyan yung parang water park. Water park ba tawag nun?
Inflatable park.
Inflatable,
Oh, look at these
sure
outfits.
ba?
Oh my goodness.
Ayan o, yun. Yun. Pumunta kami dyan before, nila Pia, kasama yung twins, yung, ano,
Family.
oo, 2 years? 3 years ago. 3 years ago.
Yeah.
Yan, naligo kami dyan. Sobrang lamig dyan, guys.
Actually, 4 years na.
4 years ago. 4 years ago pala. Tama, oh. Hindi, 2021, 22, 23, 24. 4 years, ay 3 years pa. 21 yun eh. 2021 yun eh. Ay,
No, because we were still living in Fraser.
ay, joke, tama. 4 years ago. Oo. Nag-Airbnb sila noon, and then, pumunta lang kami. Dito din celebrate yung birthday ni, dun, Moy and Melly, nung time na yun. Guys, dumaan kami kanina ng cafe. Ano ba ka nun? Harrison Corner Cafe. Kumain kami dun. Pero hindi namin na-vlog kasi may ini-edit si Kim. May ginamit niya yung phone niya. So, dadaan sana kami ng Manning Park kasi andun yung family nila Angelo. Nag-invite sila. Pero, medyo maaano na kami sa oras. Makakapos na kami sa oras kasi may appointment pa ako this afternoon. From here to Manning, 1 hour yun. And then from Manning pa uwi, 2 hours. So, magigipit kami sa oras. Kaya, siguro hindi na lang kami pupunta doon. And, didiretso na lang kami pa uwi, right? And then, si Daisy, ayan siya. Ay,
Tsaka init na din si ate girl.
ayan, tingnan niyo yung pao. Mura ng gas dito, oh. Dito kami ngayon sa Petro Canada. Hala, nasa Petro Canada kami ngayon. Magpapagas muna si... May promo ata yung A&W ngayon. May bear sila, oh. Sorry. May bear sila, oh.
Ano yun? MS Day ba? Or...
Not sure. Pero may nakalagay dyan, no?
kaya pala sila sumisigaw.
Ano ba yan? What is it about?
I'm not too sure.
Wala ko nakikita. Ang cute-cute ng area na to, guys. So, very nice. Ang laki ng pala dito, farm. Farm to, buong to. And then, here din, farm. And then, eto, gusto ko sana makita to sa gabi kasi may mga lights sila dito, oh. Maganda to sa gabi. Pero mahaba to siya na parang bridge. And, ayan.
Parang pineapple diversion.
Pineapple diversion? Yung sa Armo? Oo, kasi nagpunta si Kim dun sa Ormo. Nung nagbakasyon. Nung nagbakasyon kami nung April. Guys, wala kaming vlog nun na sobrang steady na video talaga kasi
But we have some that we have to finish this weekend.
oo, wala kami masyadong full talaga na videos because ewan ko, parang hindi naman gaanong talaga. Ayan, oh. May din dito. Water. Ito. Parang nalinga na din kami dun sa bakasyon namin. Parang na-busy kami sobra talaga na, ha?
Yung mga
Sobrang
videos natin parang for the memes lang talaga. It's not like
For the views, oo. For
so
lang.
medyo boring siya. But we have some stuff that we have to talk about because we got scammed.
Totoo. Totoo yan. Yes. Guys, ang ganda. Well, okay, Alberta has nicer, pero look at this. Maganda din naman siya.
Look at all these chickens. Ba't ka tumawa?
Okay, andito na tayo sa sibilisasyon, guys. 25 minutes na lang darating na tayo sa bahay. And, asan na tayo ngayon? Anong bridge? Portman Bridge. Nasa Portman Bridge na tayo. And, yeah. Currently, 30 degrees outside. 30 degrees Celsius outside. And si JC tulog na tulog siya kasi ang lakas ng aircon sa kotse. So, ayun siya. Enjoy siya. Nagising-gising na. Pero yes, malapit na tayo sa bahay, guys. Guys, nasa Grandview na kami. Grandview na entering City of Vancouver. Pero sobrang traffic. Grabe, lahat ng lane. Siguro may accident sa unahan. We don't know yet. Pero,
Maybe it's just really busy outside.
yeah. Pero lahat ng tao nasa labas kasi nga mainit. They're trying to enjoy the weather.
That is what we are.
So,
How could we
yes.
go wrong?
Buti na lang, alam niyo, buti na lang nag-decide kami na maaga na talaga umalis because we never, hindi na alam kung may mga sa daan. May
Yeah,
appointment nga
true.
mamaya, di ba?
And it's already 2.
Yeah, so buti na lang andito na tayo ngayon. Ayan na lang guys.